Hey guys, today we're gonna be eating MidCity Grill.
A mukbang.
A mukbang of MidCity Grill.
So we have all this food here that we're going to eat.
And it's all vegan, right?
Yeah.
And it's all from MidCity Grill. How many burgers did we get?
Four?
Seven.
We got seven.
Wow.
We got 5 Big Daddies and 2 vegan gravity.
So that's a big daddy.
This is a Big Daddy. Who wants a Big Daddy?
Me.
Okay, go ahead.
I didn't want the cheese. I just wanted it first.
It's fine. We can take it away.
Okay.
I'll take it on the side.
You don't want
So this is the vegan Big Daddy that you have, right?
Yes.
What's the,
You don't like the tomatoes
you
either?
want that meal? Okay.
There's a...
That's a big daddy.
It's a Big Daddy for you. This is, as you see here, this is the vegan Big Daddy. I don't think you can tell any difference between it and the regular one. And here you go, you see, it has everything. It has the vegan mayonnaise, vegan cheese from Daya, and the vegan burger. It's amazing. It's so amazing and addicting. We have to eat big
Once a week?
once weekly. We have a trip to MidCity Grill for the vegan burgers.
Yeah. It's a hunt.
Okay, and you're gonna start with your vegan Big Daddy or the vegan gravity? Which one do you want?
I'm going to start with the big daddy first.
Okay, start. We also are celebrating, as you can see, guys. We have a lot of food going on here. Most of it is just fruits, and we have a huge vegan cake. Like you can see, this is a vegan birthday cake that was also done at MidCity Grill. Thank goodness we have a MidCity Grill here in our area that makes vegan food. So no, actually in the area, just in where we live here, and they were able to make us a vegan birthday cake as a celebration today, and we are so excited to try this vegan cake. We haven't eaten a vegan cake in like 5 years at least, so it's our first time ever in 5 years. What are you eating, Adam? Turn it this way.
The vegan big daddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Go
And
on.
after you're done with the vegan Big Daddy, you eat what? The vegan gravity, okay?
So I guess I'll go in.
Yeah, go ahead. Start, guys. Enjoy it. Anybody wants ketchup or mustard?
Ketchup?
Okay, here you go. You want ketchup again?
Mm-hmm.
There are fries as well. Who wants fries? Mila, do you want any fries?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, this is your ketchup.
This is good. You can see it.
Yeah. You want fries? Who wants? Okay, do you want any fries?
I want some.
Okay. You want ketchup with them?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here's your ketchup. Adam, do you want fries? Yeah.
I'm just gonna be eating away.
Take.
I say they make the best vegan burgers.
Really? Yeah, I know. It's the best. Of all the burgers that I've eaten, the vegan burgers I've eaten, this is by far the best.
We're vegan. We're vegan.
It's better than any burger in the world.
Yeah. I'll put the box here, and then we'll open it eventually after they're done with the first round.
Yeah.
Oh, Mila, you need some fries, right? I think I forgot the fries for a little bit. He was cooking them, to be honest, and I was not supposed to pay attention. But apparently it was my responsibility to take them.
Yeah. They
What do you
don't
need?
know. They don't know
Yeah.
who he is.
The man behind the camera.
Yeah.
It's actually his birthday party today, and this is what we're doing. It's in celebration of the cameraman birthday that we're doing this big feast. It's all vegan food, and I'm so happy about it, especially with the burger and with the cake. This humongous cake. It's so beautiful. And then you're gonna take a picture for me for the cake with your phone and send it to me, okay? Not now, later on.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, eat.
Move that to like.
Yeah, I'll eat here. Go ahead, eat.
No. Move that like, I don't know, over there.
No, it's fine.
Okay. Wow,
Good?
that's a lot of.
It's tomato and lettuce. This is how mine looks like. As you see, guys, look at this. Beautiful vegan Big Daddy. It is just amazing, as you can see. And it tastes authentic to the regular one, but better and much healthier.
This is it's really good.
Yes.
I think I can eat all of this.
Good job. You can eat more. We still have 3 more.
Wow.
Mmm.
I mean, I can't believe you're eating all that, but.
Look at mine. Look at this beauty. Let's dig in. Mm. We're not eating your
Okay.
pickles.
We gave them ours because she loves them.
Mm. Yeah, eat.
You open this.
Why are you not eating your fries?
I am.
Good job. You happy?
I love it.
You don't want cheese? Okay, I'll get it.
At MidCity Grill, there's like these like chocolate like chocolate on a stick that's like
It's chocolate on a stick.
like
Is it like a candy stick?
like
Yeah.
no like the chocolate with the
And it has
sprinkles.
like types of like that.
And there's cupcakes there. They're tiny.
I'm done with my first burger.
You want your other one?
Not yet. After this.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna finish everything.
Yeah, I can look and see. Okay, so this is...
Those are
Which one is this, Adam?
the vegan gravy.
This is the vegan gravity. And the difference between this and that is that this one has the mushroom...
fried mushrooms.
I think it's portobello mushrooms. Yep.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. So that's yours. It's ready for you once you're done with the first one.
Well, what? You're still not done, but okay.
Good job.
Mila's is done too.
Really? How about Raquel?
She's closer than. Let me see. Raquel's closer, I think. Maybe. I don't know. Both. Well, Mila just.
Burgers.
Yeah, it's...
I'll just do this.
Look at Mila.
You want your second? Oh, you're just eating the fries.
She's eating.
What's the matter?
Anything happened today at school?
Yeah.
Today at school, we had a fun time.
At school, I learned how to catch a frisbee and throw it.
Who taught you?
Mr. Peterson.
That's his name?
Mr. Peterson.
Yeah. He's a new teacher?
Yeah.
He's
Good.
a new educator teacher.
Yeah. Do you play it outside in the playground?
In educator we played outside.
Was it cold?
What?
Was it cold outside?
Yes, a little. But I kept my jacket on and I wasn't cold really much.
You don't eat the pickles, Adam?
Those?
No?
Those are not pickles.
What are these?
Jalapeno thingies?
Are they?
I don't know. What does that look like to you?
I don't know what it is.
It's spicy. I don't know. It's some pepper.
I
I need a drink.
This is done with my first bag.
Drink, where's your...
Right
that's
there.
Like Sprite.
okay.
I'm just gonna put it down. It's just that right. It's not even on the floor.
The cake is there. The other one is there.
I'll get one.
This is not even a lot that I ate, but I'm a little girl.
A little girl that eats like more than a little girl should eat, but
I always say, I'm hungry. Because I'm hungry.
feeding
You want more ketchup?
ketchup. Yeah, I guess. How much ketchup do we have?
She gave us a lot.
She gave us like 2 bags.
Yeah.
I can't wait for this.
Like,
Let's see which one is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's huge, right?
It's small. Here it is.
It comes with a pickle underneath it. It's so amazing and heavenly.
Okay. There's like melted cheese.
You're done?
Oh, I'm gonna eat this. It's not my
Eat.
first.
Any news today? Anything exciting that you need to address?
Well, actually, this was a long time ago.
Yeah, what happened?
Whenever we got the drone, like
Germs.
Drone.
drone.
The what? Drone? Oh, the drone, yeah. What happened?
Well, it's on like on Black Friday. This girl right here, she always wanted a drone. So she got
She got one?
yeah.
I got one on
It
Black
was
Friday.
red and blue and white.
Yeah.
I think.
It had LED lights on it.
LED light?
Yeah.
But our first time that we were like driving it, it like I tried it, and we were at like
Indian
My
style?
skull.
yeah, your school, and
What happened?
we were in the big circle, well, just like
There's a little
square.
circle.
Yeah.
And we were in no,
yeah.
little circle.
And then
And we
I was
were in
about
it.
to crash it into the fence.
The baseball field.
But
part.
my
Yeah.
dad
It wasn't where we ran.
stopped
It was
it.
that other one beside it.
You know the one when
I know what
you
you're
sometimes-
talking about. That's the softball field.
Oh.
The other one's a baseball field.
So what do you like the gravity, Adam? More than the Big Daddy?
It's hard. Well, it's pretty. Well, it's close to being the same.
Yeah. What's the difference?
This.
Was all?
Well, I don't think so because the Big Daddy. Oh gosh, it's falling apart.
Yeah, it.
This it has like something like under the. Like,
Oh yeah, it has a
yeah.
different sauce, right?
Yeah, it has like a different sauce. Oh gosh.
I'm done with mine.
I can't eat anymore.
Yeah, you can.
You can save it. I
No.
don't like the cheese.
Just
Just take a little.
We have finished off. Good job again. Good job. There's one more vegan gravity. I'm not sure if somebody will eat it today.
not me.
There's one more vegan gravity, just like the one Adam is eating.
How about
If
you
you-
eat it?
No, I'm done, but I'm gonna eat fruits and I'm gonna eat some cake. Vegan? Birthday cake?
The birthday person can have it.
Yeah, finish what you have first so we can start cutting the vegan cake.
And go on to the next thing.
The cameraman.
Yeah. So, We have got some persimmons. Do you like them? Who likes the persimmons? Adam likes them, right?
They're good.
Why?
Yeah, and we've got these. You know, guys, what they are? These are called cocktail grapefruit, and they are so yummy. They're so sweet. They're not. They might look like citrusy and sour, but no, they are very sweet. They're amazing. Look at them. And I've got some cut pineapple and some pomegranate. Blueberries, as you can see. We've got some cut mangoes, oranges. I have a full plate of oranges. I'll show you. Hold on a second. Look at these oranges. If we didn't eat them today, tomorrow, the kids can take them with them to school. Give them lunchbox. The grapes and some pears. You can tell the pears have been cut for a little while, so they've gotten a little bit brownish, but they're still good. Good job, Coco.
I'm feeling full already.
Really? You're full?
I'm full already.
If you can't
But
eat
I
today,
can still
you want to eat tomorrow for school?
I'll eat the rest of this.
No, don't push yourself. If you're done, you're done.
Do you, Mom?
Mm.
I can finish it tomorrow, but I'm still gonna have some today. Okay?
Yeah, finish your ketchup.
I'm not done, but
What's left in here?
I don't want these.
Okay. But you want the fries?
Yes,
But
I
you
want
want
the
those food?
fries and this.
Okay. You want to wash your hands?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you want to finish yours, please? Yeah, finish them quickly. There are only a few bites, that's all.
so am I the last one standing? Well, eating.
The Sprite is making me like tears because it's like bubbly. What? Is that not true?
Is it making you burp?
You can use her ketchup, okay? So you don't have to waste this one. That's your old ketchup?
From the
I think
beginning.
I want to move on. I can't eat anymore. You can go wash your hands and finish too.
You done?
I'm not done.
Okay, take this one. Use it if you need it. You're done okay with this?
Okay.
Okay, I'll take this away.
I need a minute to.
I love pears. They're the best. And mangoes.
Oh.
Yeah,
I need like a minute to
Yeah, take it. You want me to put this for you over there?
digest
I
it, I
want
guess.
those.
Which ones? These?
No, those.
Those? Yeah, go. I'm gonna put it for you. You want your pears? These are pears. Okay, do you want any fruit?
What is this? Protein and stuff like that?
Yeah, it's
Do you
vegan,
think this is
plant-based.
too much protein
plant-based.
for like
So
one,
much fruit.
like in one, like in this much time?
Yeah.
We have
I
so
think
much
it is.
fruit.
You can eat some.
Okay, I'm ready for more.
I want
Well,
this. Dima, can I eat
Finish
this?
all.
No, I don't mean more burgers. I mean
You wanna
like
eat some of this?
ready to eat the rest of the
Yeah, let
dish.
me put it for you a little bit here in your dish, your plate. You want me to put for you some on your plate?
I need a plate where I can put the seed.
No, you eat this whole thing with the seed.
Hmm?
Yeah. You
Huh?
cannot.
I swallow
It's
it?
not a seed. You just eat it immediately. You cannot.
You just swallow it?
Yeah. This is called pomegranate. You cannot. You don't throw the seed away. It's not a seed. It is how it comes. So you eat it all. You want more?
I can just swallow it?
Yeah, and you have to eat it in bunches, like with a fork, not like one by one.
Why?
Because otherwise, I mean, you can't eat it by one. You have to eat a bunch at the same time, so you can taste it.
But why? So I can taste it?
Because
Yeah.
one.
I don't have to taste it.
And then you're done with your ketchup.
Okay. I'll just do 3.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, probably goes away.
I can't swallow it. Okay, I'm just gonna try.
You don't have to bite it because it's gonna like
I can't.
hard. You can't.
I swallowed it.
So what does it taste like?
Pretty good.
Sweet.
Sweet, yeah. This is sweet. The thing's really good. We want you to watch this video. We really do. But it's not the end of the video. Still a long, long way. I can't swallow it.
What are you waiting? Yeah, finish.
I can't swallow it.
You have to swallow them immediately. Like, put them up and swallow. You don't have to crush them between your teeth. Yeah. Just swallow it like a pill. You want it to pick up tomorrow?
Give it to me
Can
and
I
I'll see
Or
drink?
tomorrow?
And swallow it? Because it's hard to swallow. Can I swallow it with my drink?
Mila, you want some cheese?
Mm-mm.
Mila, move back. I gotta go. I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna come back. Give me some more Pepsi.
This is Sprite.
Drink all the Pepsi.
That's Coke. I don't like Coke. Coca-Cola? Because it makes your teeth rot. But I have to.
Well, you have to brush your teeth.
Well, you can brush your teeth, and I always brush my teeth. Okay. What one? Did you get any? I got all of them. I got a lot. Oh, you did. After the fruit, we're gonna eat the vegan cake, I think. Yes, we are. Yeah. But we're gonna if we can finish the fruit, we're just gonna eat it.
Who wants to eat a piece of? Who wants to eat cake now?
Me. We have
Who wants cake? You? Okay, let me cut it then.
We're gonna eat the cake, then we're just gonna eat all the rest of the fruit. I'm number 1.
Wow, this is a humongous cake, right?
Wanna smell it?
Who wants a piece?
Me. No, the first one. Oh, Bella gets the cameraman gets the first piece,
First
right?
piece?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's cut a piece. You want Mila? Tell me how big do you want?
It's the cameraman's birthday.
How big do you want?
Like a normal slice.
No, okay.
Dima, the cameraman's getting it first.
Hold on, let's see what this cake is
Oh
about.
my gosh.
Wow. Mmm.
Smells good. It smells like fruits and
A
stuff.
square?
Mm.
Because it's like a square.
Oh yeah, it's a.
It's not round.
but
Wow.
Oh.
like it's square.
Oh.
That's a kind of big piece.
Who wants the first piece?
That guy over there.
No,
Oh.
we're here. We're talking about us here. Who wants?
Fine, I'll have it.
Wow, look
Do
at
you
it. It's
have it,
like,
Mila? Can you eat
it's
it
like,
all?
it's like on the top, it's like a chocolate cream stuff. And then in the middle, it's like,
Cake.
it's like doughy stuff.
Yeah.
I don't know how to explain it.
It's cake.
What do we call it? Cake? Yeah, I don't know.
A cake bomb.
Cake. It's
Mukbang. A cake mukbang.
This is a cake bomb.
Yeah, Adam wants.
Cake bomb.
Who wants another piece? Who wants a piece? You? How big do you want yours? As Mila's or less?
Yeah.
Mila is good?
This is real good.
You want the same
What
as
does it
Mila's?
taste like, Mila?
Chocolate a lot.
Chocolate? The fruity? Okay.
And this is again, so we said it's vegan, so it has no milk, no eggs, no butter, no honey.
Just pure yumminess.
It looks so
Yes.
good.
Oops.
Wow.
And it's so good.
That's okay. It like it still has its.
Let me put for you.
I say
It's
if
very
it looks good, it tastes
gonna eat
good.
with
that fork.
No, this is yours. Oh, you want the other fork?
Like I'm gonna eat with that fork.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
mine.
Let me put your fruit. Here you go.
Okay.
Now it's Adam's turn. You want like one like Mila's or less?
I'll do that for now. And
Not bad. It's like a brownie.
Is it?
Mhm.
Like it?
it's like a big brownie.
Big brownie. It's a
It smells,
good
it
brownie.
smells good. Wait,
It's not bad.
what?
Not bad.
Not bad.
How much on a scale of 1 to 10? How much do you want to score it?
I haven't tried.
I scored 9.
Adam, take.
A 9.
Because there's a really chocolate taste.
Is
That's
it?
why I
Good.
give it
How much do you put for it, Raquel?
100 out of 0.
Are you serious?
100 out of 0. You mean 100 out of 10?
Okay. So, I'll give it a 99.
Let me try.
Are you serious?
I 1 billion.
Yeah. It's,
Like 1 billion for that one. Is that?
That's good.
you like it?
Try it. It's good.
Well, actually, I'll give it
It's very
a 10 out of
chocolatey.
9. Wait, no.
That's why I
So,
gave
like,
it a 9. But it's
10 out of
chocolate tastes
0.
It's good, man.
I'll
it's
give
good,
it
still
a
good.
9. Like, just like
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Do you? Let's try and see.
Amazing.
I give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 5.
that.